Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is "Woman's Full-Time Shoplifting Gig Finally Ends with Police Bust." So let's get into it, man. She's a professional shoplifter. Let's see how good she is.
Yeah, I've done it a couple times, yeah. I mean, it's not something that I want to do or regularly do. There's no way I can not go to jail. Oh, that's just a fentanyl pill.
Just a fentanyl pill, girl, that's gonna kill ya.
On April 18th, 2023, officers responded to a target following a report of a woman attempting to steal alcohol and clothing despite having wads of cash in her purse.
Is she being cooperative? Do you already have her name and everything?
I believe mommy.
Okay, and then what did you guys, you guys want her arrested or?
I don't want to.
Okay. He just
It's
wanted us over
always-
here?
Yeah.
Okay, did she leave the store with the items?
Yeah, she did.
Okay. Hello.
So I got Brenda here.
It's always Target, Walmart, and Best Buy.
Filled her card up with like alcohol, small appliances. She walked out without paying. I contacted her. She's been cooperative and honest with me so far.
Okay. You have your ID on you?
I don't have any ID in my wallet. It's gotten stolen a couple times, so.
Okay. What's your last name?
Grubbs, Grubbs.
Have we ever met before?
I don't know. I own the Third Dimension right over there by the Lacey Fred Meyer.
Okay.
You know, they have the new faux place, and then the Third Dimension, that was mine.
Okay. Gotcha. All right. Is that all the items she stole, or?
Oh no, I have the receipt. It's already we took it back, but I have an itemized receipt for you.
Okay. Now what were you trying to do?
We will prosecute.
You guys want to prosecute?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, she has been cooperative and very.
What does that mean, you want to prosecute?
Like we
We
will
want to pursue.
charges.
Yeah,
of
pursue
course.
criminal charges. That's what we're talking about.
Okay.
So, all right, let's start off with your name and everything. All right.
Okay, Brenda Grubbs,
Master Grubbs, G-R
UBBS.
first,
Brenda, BRENDA.
and I'm letting you know you are being audio and video recorded at the moment. Okay. And what's your middle initial?
A?
You have a current address?
I don't.
Where are you living right now then?
I'm just staying with my friend.
Okay. Is there a vehicle outside? How'd you get here?
Well, she brought me, but she left and she was gonna come back, so I don't. And then she just called, so I think that.
What kind of vehicle does she drive?
It's it's kind of like a bigger boat car, like a.
You know,
like a
which,
Chevy.
is it a Chevy? Okay.
I'm not 100% sure. I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah,
It's a Chevy. Like a silver.
Silver Chevy? Okay.
Yeah, I'm not 100% sure on the name, but yeah.
Gotcha. All right, give me 1 second, all right? All right, let me read your rights real quick before we talk, just because it is a theft investigation, and right now you are in custody for theft because they want to pursue criminal charges, all right?
Does it mean I'm going to jail?
Oh, we don't. Like I said, I'm going to have to read these first off to you, and then I'm not going to give you any kind of ultimatum or anything like that, okay?
Okay, I just have a really important job interview in the morning.
Gotcha. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. And having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
Yes.
Okay. So what happened?
So, like, is there anybody standing out there?
No.
So I owned the Third Dimension salon, and I got evicted out of there, and I became homeless. And I had no money, no income, or anything. Somebody stole my car. I mean, I could have wrote a country song. And so, periodically, if I need to make money and stuff, because I have a job interview tomorrow, so I need to get a, you know, like a nice dress.
What's your job interview for?
I do hair, so I'm just gonna go back, try to go to Great Clips and just cut hair and somehow make some kind of an income, you know.
Okay.
And so, yeah, and I know that I can steal this stuff.
What would you steal today? How many?
Alcohol and 2 small appliances, or a Cricket and a Ninja. And so I know that I can. I don't
Cricket
drink.
Ninja, what's that?
A Cricket is like a craft machine, you know, like you make crafts and stuff on it.
Gotcha.
And then a Ninja is a blender.
Okay. Alright. And then who do you usually sell this stuff to?
Well, like the alcohol, I can just go to a gas station and just, you know, ask people if they want to buy a bottle. And then the Cricket and the Ninja will be just, you know, somebody just the same.
Who's your friend that drove you out here? Does she know exactly what you're doing too?
Oh my God, no, I don't want her to know. I'd be so embarrassed. And so I'm staying at, she has a motorhome on her property, and I'm staying there. And I can't stay there very long, but she's like,
Is there
yeah.
a reason why she didn't come in with you?
No, I don't know why she didn't come in with me. I just,
What's her name? If you don't mind giving that to me.
Nina,
Nina?
I don't know her last name.
You don't know her last name? Or she,
I met her, with a friend, and it was the night that I got evicted from here. I had no car, I had all my stuff with me, and she just kind of helped me out with a place to stay, but I kind of overstayed my... So if she knew this, I'd be really screwed.
So you've done this in the past then? Is that what you're saying? Because you said that you do this when you're short on money?
Yeah, I've done it a couple times, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's not something that I want to do or regularly do, and tomorrow, if I can get this job, then it'll totally help me so I can, not do it anymore.
Gotcha.
But I don't know what else, it's hard because you're out there and
Okay.
I'm hungry and,
Okay.
and I've never
You
been
ain't
in a
making that
situation
interview
like
tomorrow.
When did you become homeless?
It's probably been maybe about a month ago.
Alright. And then you still own the salon then?
Well, I technically I own it, but I owe a whole bunch of money on back rent, and so
Do you still cut hair out of there or no?
no.
Okay.
No, I was.
Is it a different business now or is it still?
I think the last time I drove by there it was still Third Dimension, but I don't know how that's gonna work because I've never.
Gotcha. So you don't have anything to do with that salon?
Well, I'm locked out of it.
No.
But I think that legally I still own it. I don't really know. I gotta find out.
Gotcha. Okay. Alright, well, I just need you to stand up for me, alright?
Are you taking me to jail?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now, okay? So, face away from me. Put your hands behind your back.
There's no way I can not go to jail.
So we want to pursue criminal charges at this time, so that's what we're looking at.
And we have a no tolerance policy.
So will they keep me overnight?
Well, if you can make bond, you can make bond. Got anything in your bag that is gonna poke us, stick us, anything like that?
No, I can make my own bond.
Okay. And that's what you'll work out with the jail, okay?
Okay.
Are those alright with you?
Yeah. Can you hang my coat over that so I don't have to walk out looking like this?
Yes, ma'am. Then I'll have my partner search you, alright?
I'll search you here, if that'll make things easier.
Okay.
Again, so here's the rule. You got any drugs on you, anything like that, they go to jail, it's a charge. That's a felony charge. So, do you have anything on you? Where is it at?
In my purse.
Okay, what is it? Okay. Do me a favor and face that wall.
Well, I don't think I actually have any.
Where would the crack be?
It's just a pipe.
Just a crack
It's
pipe?
a long. Yeah, right there. That
Okay,
tube
can you
thing.
face that?
Oh,
And then what's inside here?
it should be nothing.
Should be nothing.
Yeah, I don't think I have anything.
So you just have the pipe?
Yeah.
What's in here?
My money and stuff.
So you had money, and why are you stealing if you've got money and there's a bunch of dope in here?
Oh wait. Oh, that's just a fentanyl pill.
Just a fentanyl pill, girl, that's gonna kill you. Okay, none of this can go to the jail.
Okay.
So, boop. Boop. And there's another, what's this, is that another fentanyl pill?
Yeah, I think so, but I have a couple other pills in there too, like for my headaches and stuff.
Okay, well the problem is, and these keys, do you need these keys?
Yeah.
What are they for?
My motorhome. Okay, the lighter too.
Anything else in here you need?
The lighter.
That will not go to the jail.
Oh, okay.
So, anything else in here you need?
No.
Because it's all going garbage.
Can we look at it just a little bit closer just to make sure? Because that's my important bag.
Did you come in a car or an SUV?
Well, I can't really see in there very well. Can you shake it around? Can I dig in there with my hand?
No, there's fentanyl, and there's a meth pipe, a bunch
No,
of
I don't
pipes,
have meth. I don't
crack just pipes that you
Okay.
smoke illegal narcotics with. There's,
just make sure there's no keys or nothing like
I
that.
took the keys out,
Okay.
and I put them in your purse.
Okay.
There is
Looks
nothing
pretty
else.
good.
But again, do another look.
No, I think we're good.
Okay.
Brenda, did you come in a car or an SUV?
No. Either one.
Neither one.
How come you lied to me? This guy's been standing in the line.
Okay, we don't get to talk about lying
Okay,
when we just,
okay.
you have how much
I know.
cash on you and you're taking what?
I know.
Yeah, let's not be pot calling kettle black, you know what I mean, sister? Okay, so these cannot go to the jail. I'm sorry.
Dang.
I know. That is, yes, I'm pretty sure you can, but don't quote me.
Okay, well.
And you also have warrants for theft too, as well.
Where at?
Olympia and somewhere else.
So it's gonna be a bigger fine. Anything in here?
No.
Okay, again, just so you know, I like to give people the same spiel. If there is, you're looking at another charge.
I'm not lying.
All right.
So if I have a warrant, do I have to go to court on that warrant before I can get out?
Probably not, but that's what's Olympia one. So I'm just saying I mean, there's a history and you have other charges.
Yeah, but I mean, whatever. I get it. The cops got to do what they got to do, but this is a complete waste of time. She's going to get probation, man. And, you know, live happily ever after. I mean, I don't really get it. I don't get it. You know, yeah, she smoked a little crack, you know what I'm saying? She popped some pills, you know what I mean? Whatever. But, and she steals from retail stores, you know what I mean? But she just going to get probation, 12 months probation, and we'll be done with it.
So I'm just letting you know that you need to take care of those. I think that your friend's leaving right now. She was waiting. No, not that one. It's a car out there.
Where?
It's no longer. Oh, it went to park over at Rite Aid.
How is he so cool?
Is it a Cadillac?
No, it's not a Cadillac.
That car all the way over there?
I'm like, no, I don't see it.
Hop in the car for me.
Can we put these in front at all? Because I get claustrophobic really bad.
I can't. I could roll down the window and stuff for you, but
Yeah.
at this point, we can't do that, alright?
Okay.
Thanks for your cooperation, though.
Yeah.
So, Target is also going to be trespassing you, alright? Okay, have you ever been trespassed before? You have? Okay. So you can't come back to this location. If you come back, commit any kind of other crime, it will be a burglary charge, right? Because you're not supposed to be inside this kind of building anymore. Don't even come into the parking lot. If you come onto the parking lot, it'll be a trespass charge, all right?
Brenda Grubbs was charged with theft.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.